We are at 45 West Newton Street in the South End, and this is the common area, the hallway that takes you up to the top floor, and we're going to see the apartment number 5, a furnished 3-bedroom. So as you walk in, there is one more staircase that takes you up to the apartment, and just so you can see the entrance right here. And it is a duplex. So on the first level you have all 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths, and another additional closet right off the entrance here. So it's really nice to have as you walk up. First room here is the primary bedroom. It's really bright, very sunny, so much natural light. This is the primary bathroom. We can take a look at that right now. There's another closet. And you can see how big this room is. It fits a Peloton easily. And there is also a walk-in closet. It's all built out. So, excellent storage. And again, really, really great natural light. You can see just how much sunshine it gets. Being on the top floor also helps with that. And then the next 2 bedrooms are just down the hall. Here you have the second bath, another full bath with a really nice walk-in shower. And you also have in-unit laundry right here. Here's the second bedroom, also very spacious. And this one has views of the park across the street. This is a Blackstone Park. These beautiful views. Another closet right here. And finally, the third smaller bedroom is also on this level. Right now, it doesn't really have much in it, but you can definitely use it as an office. It also has views of the park here. It can be an office, a guest bedroom, really whatever you want it to make it. And then if you take this flight up, the best part is upstairs. It's the living room with the kitchen, and you can see just how bright and open and spacious it is. You have 2 private outdoor spaces. You have a deck right here off the living room and an additional roof deck. If you take the stairs up, the skylights, of course, since this is the top floor, there are no units above, so you have these gorgeous skylights. Really nice kitchen. You have Thermador appliances. Let's do a closer look of the kitchen here. Just a gorgeous apartment. Plenty of room for formal dining. Great views and light from literally every room in this apartment. There are 2.5 baths here, so the half a bath or the powder room is right here. Even this tiny room has some pretty cool views right there. You can see the Pru. And let's take a look at the outdoor space. This is the first part. You walk out of the living room straight onto this deck. And the next level upstairs is more private outdoor space. With some really amazing views of the city.